So, first lesson, open your textbook, semester 1, page number 4. First lesson, that is value of cleanliness. So, by hearing this name itself, we come to know that today we are going to learn what is the value of cleanliness. What is the use of cleanliness? If we are very clean, what is going to happen? If you are unclean, what is going to happen? That also we are going to learn in the story. So, now I am going to play a video for you. In that, you will go through the lesson, explanation, listen it carefully.
English 1.
First lesson
1.
is
Value of cleanliness. Let's read the following passage that explains the value of cleanliness. One day, Anuj and Ronit were playing in a park. They came across a street vendor. He had not covered any of the eatables he was selling. Anuj was feeling hungry. He thought of buying something from the vendor. Ronit stopped him and said, "The vendor is selling uncovered food. Look, there are flies around the food."
so children, while seeing this video, you have to go through the textbook and read along the video so that it will be easy for you to understand the wordings, difficult words which come across in the textbook. So, one day what happened, Anuj and Ronit were playing in a park and they came across the street vendor. He had not covered any of the eatables he was selling. That means you might be seeing many people who come across the school and they will sell one or the other thing. But here, these two children were playing in a park where some other person has come to sell something. But he was selling the things which was uncovered. Anuj was feeling hungry. He thought of buying something from the vendor. Ronit stopped him and said, "The vendor is selling uncovered food. Look, there are flies around the food." That means he warned him not to take the food which is uncovered. But this Ronit did not, Anuj did not listen. Now we'll go further and see the textbooks. You can
"Don't
follow
worry,
the
I'm very
video.
hungry. Nothing will happen to me," Anuj said and bought some eatables. He ate them with his unclean hands. The next day, Anuj had a severe stomachache. His mother took him to a doctor.
So then he was very worried about the eatables which was uncovered. But Anuj does not believe the Ronit and said, "I am very hungry, my friend. I want to eat something. Nothing will happen to me. Please, I want to eat anything because I am feeling hungry." Then he bought something from the vendor and he ate it with the unclean hands only. The next day what happened? Anuj had a severe stomachache. His mother took him to a doctor. And what does the
The
doctor
doctor
say
said,
after his
"If you
checkup?
want to keep away from bitter medicines and injections, you should follow what I tell you." Anuj said, "Yes, doctor, I will do whatever you tell me." The doctor then explained to him the following rules. 1. Take a bath daily and keep yourself clean. Always wear clean clothes. 2. Brush your teeth properly in the morning and at bedtime. 3. Rinse your mouth after every meal. 4. Keep your nails short and clean. 5. Never eat uncovered food. 6. Drink clean filtered water. 7. Always eat fresh and clean food. Anuj said, I promise you, doctor, that I will strictly follow your advice. From the next day, Anuj kept himself clean and healthy.
Okay, see children, this all happened in the Anu's life. Why? Because he had eaten something from the outside which is uncovered and which is not healthy, and that too with the unclean hands. So what does the doctor say? So I'll give you some medicines and injections. But if you want to keep away from these medicines and injections, some rules you have to follow which I tell you. Then Anuj said, yes doctor, I'll do whatever you tell me. Please doctor, I don't want any medicines and injections. I'll follow the rules. Just tell me the rules what I should follow now. Then the doctor then explained to him the following rules. What are the rules, children? These rules are very, very important for each and everyone. Everyone has to follow. You have to follow these rules compulsory in your daily life. What are the rules? Just we'll go through the rules. Take a bath daily and keep yourself clean. Always wear clean clothes. Some children will not have the bath. They will cry for the bathing. But also you have to take bath every day, because the dirt which is deposited on your body will be washed out. You'll be playing in the sand, you'll be playing in the water, you'll go outside. So all the dust particles may be on your dress or as well as on your body. So to wash it out, you have to take a bath daily. Nowadays, it's very dangerous. We are in a very pandemic situations. That means we are facing COVID-19 cases. So, to avoid all these things, we should be very clean and we should keep our body also very clean. Even surroundings should be kept very clean, because these are the things which comes into our home and make us unhealthy. Isn't it? So take bath daily compulsorily and keep yourself clean, and especially you have to wear clean clothes. Second point, brush your teeth properly in the morning and at bedtime. Compulsorily, as soon as you wake up from your bed, you have to brush the teeth. Otherwise, the germ inside our mouth makes us unhealthy and also our teeth may fall down. So, to avoid this, you have to brush your teeth early in the morning and also when you are going to bed in the night. Okay children, remember, twice brush a day keeps your mouth very healthy. It will not make the germs to get into our body from the mouth. Okay. Third one, rinse your mouth after every meal. Rinsing means you have to take some water into your mouth and gargle, or just you have to make a movement for 3, 4, 5 minutes. Then you have to throw the water in the sink. Isn't it? In the same way, next point is you have to keep your nails short and clean. Don't grow your nails very lengthy, because the dirt may deposit in your nails, and with that nails only, if you eat again the eatables, those will get into our mouth and the worms will generate in our stomach. So you have to cut short your nails so as to not some mud or dust will stay over in the nails. Okay. Never eat uncovered food. Uncovered food means it's an invitation for all the germs and mosquitoes and house flies to sit on it. So we should not eat any uncovered food, and especially these days don't eat any outside food. Don't go outside. If you are stepping out, you have to wear a mask and you have to wash your hands with a sanitizer and then only step out. most the thing is you have to stay at home and stay healthy. Then drink clean filtered water. Always you have to drink clean and filter water. Always eat fresh and clean food. Don't eat uncovered and stale food. Junk food also is very dangerous for our health. So these days we are all at home because the situation is very bad. So you have to take care of yourself, take bath daily and cut your nails, brush twice a day, then only it will be healthy for you. So these are the things where Anuj promised doctor, and he said that he will follow all the strict rules compulsorily. So what he said, he did it, and soon he recovered from the unhealthy and he became healthy and he made himself very clean. This is about value of cleanliness. Hope you are all understood about the lesson, what I have explained it. This is all for today's class. In the next class, I am going to give you the question and answers about the lesson, value of cleanliness. Okay children, take care, stay home, stay safe.